Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll look at concatenated uh, ReLU. And what we have here is, let's say we have this particular tensor, we have negative values, and then we have positive values. So if we were to use ReLU here by typing tf.nn.crelu, then in the output, what we would get is this, where all the negative values are now converted to zeros. We have 0, 0, and then the rest of the values stay as they are. In case of concatenated ReLU, what we get is the output for both positive and negative values. So if we look at this output now, this first part is the same as what we had before for the ReLU. In addition, this part is concatenated to the previous result, where only the negative values uh, are there in the output, and all the positive values are converted to zero. So 1 and 2 are now converted to zeros in this case. So this is how we can use a concatenated ReLU in TensorFlow. If you have any questions or comments, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.